guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I will be showing you how you can create this TikTok trend. It is called the picture NASA took when I was born, and I'll be showing you two websites. The first one is I am going to go and type in Happy Birthday on Google, and I'm just going to select this one. Just gonna select that, and I'm just going to select the month that I was born in and also the date. Submit, and this is actually like the precise date when I was born, like the precise date, month, and also year. You can only submit date in month on this website. So this is what I got. It is the Thackeray's globules. These dense dark dust clouds named Thackeray's globules after astronomer A.D. Thackeray are silhouetted against stars and bright gas clouds of the star-forming region. The largest globule is actually two separate overlapping clouds, and you can just press see full image, right click, and save the image. And also another website that I want to show, you can also do this on this website too. It is called the APOD NASA calendar, and you're just going to click on it, and then I'm going to go to the year and the month, and I was born on a Sunday, so I'm just going to click that one. And so this is the astronomy picture of the day. The largest moon, Saturn, is a rare wonder. Titan is the only one of Saturn's moon with an atmosphere. Blah, blah, blah. It is the Saturn smog moon, and you can just either screenshot it on your phone or right click to save image, or just save it on your phone. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!